Hello guys, this is a Nollywood movie titled Your Ex, My Man. This movie revolves around a woman marries her ex-boyfriend after years apart, but soon discovers he is still emotionally tied to his past. Love, betrayal, guilt, and unexpected pregnancy force them to confront whether love can truly be rebuilt or some wounds never heal. You can do well by subscribing to this channel. Thank you.